Hi folks, just thought I'd give you a quick bite-sized video of just bringing up this amp from previous videos, Fender Bandmaster 1966, which is what I've gleaned from the codes on the transformers, etc. I might go through that again in another video, but so just let's see how the amp's doing. So I'm monitoring plate voltage here and bias voltage here. We just see how it goes. This is on all original caps inside and all but one in the power filter. So we're just looking for hum and voltage. So I'm bringing it up now. We're starting to get some voltage here. It's coming up, that's okay. So the bias, we've got negative voltage there, 20 now, 170 there. So it's good we got negative bias. That's going to keep our power tubes in check. The no movement yet on the visible sign on the current limiter bulb. We're up to 250, minus 31. That's all looking good. 300. So we're looking for about 440, it says on the schematic. Oh, we're starting to get the first crackles. Don't know if you could hear that. Minus 40, minus 50, that's good. And we're up to about 240 mains now. Oh, and yeah. 337 on the minus 56 on the bias. So that's quite cool, but that is, I'm happy with that. That's good because that's going to make sure our power tubes aren't being stressed while we're in this investigative stage. Really, the filters, power filters need to be done, but that's a very good sign. Teeny bit of hum, teeny bit of glow in the current limiter, so that is good. Though we heard some crackles there, so might have a there was a bit of ticking there, but that's from my phone. There's a little bit of physical noise transfer on the filter caps. There's might be a dodgy connection there, but over that's pretty good. Right, we'll put a bit of volume out, a bit more hum, a bit of scratchiness, but I'm pretty pleased with that. And the other volume, that's full. That is really good, excellent. I'll give you a sound sample just briefly. It's barely over 1 because well, it's pretty loud, but lovely and rich. That's a sweet one.